Arjun to punch
There
you
are plenty of guys in the crowd who are wanting to come up.
Okay, all of you in the crowd can line up just after this. Dharmesh will be right here, so we can put this.
Call Ranbir Kapoor because he played a boxer in the movie. That.
Yeah, I know. We'll get him back to do that. All right, I'm afraid we are almost flat out of time. Vijayanajit, before we go, any challenge you want to throw to anybody?
I think I give a challenge to you, sir.
What is it? I was hoping, me and my big mouth, why did I have to ask that last question to him?
Please, sir, please. Like, asking question, it's a very easy joke, right? Okay, why don't you do that? Like, kiske saath kya karna? That's an easy joke. So, 100% is, it's going to be like tough.
100%, I negotiated a better deal sometime back.
Okay, 50, sir.
50 push-ups?
Yay!
After 100 days.
Yeah.
50 a day.
What, a day for 100 days?
Throughout the
Okay.
day. 10,
We'll
10.
negotiate,
negotiate this.
Build up to 50 push-ups.
We'll negotiate this.
Okay.
We'll negotiate this. We'll figure it out. But okay, I'll make you one promise. And as a promise I've kept for the last 6 months, I'll keep it going. I will not take that lift, which I'm telling anybody in NDTV again. No lift ever. And I didn't run up and down. And I'm sorry, all of you guys in my ear, my producers who are saying, no, no, no. Tough, you're doing it. That lift is going up. That's it right now. Thank you all so much for having joined us. Thank you. Great.
To be honest, fitness and sports is something which makes you happy. I think it changes your life. The first thing which always I think is the issue is the knowledge of it. You know, we are so distracted by other things that we ignore this side. I don't think there's anything greater than being fit, which will keep you happy in your mind and in your head.
Great. Well, you know, one of the first things that we've been talking about is marks for sports. Somehow getting schools to pay some attention to sports. You know, people tell their kids, you know, marks आपको marks आने चाहिए, क्या खेल कूद कर रहे हो? So how do we change that? How do we actually get, you know, sports put onto the curriculum? Now we've been pushing that for a while. We do have the Union Sports Minister with us, Sarbander Sonowal, or we will have him in just a couple of minutes. But Devesh, this is a question we've been asking people. What is it that we would like the government to do on this?
Basically, Vikram, I think it is critical that we look at sports fundamentally differently. Till we don't do that, fundamental changes will not happen. We studied countries across the globe that do well in sport, and we realized that sports is given a lot more importance than what it is in India. So fundamentally, if marks are given for sports, suddenly you will have a totally different way of looking at sports. So at 6 o'clock, instead of the mother telling the child, "Okay, beta, don't waste your time in khelne kudne mein," she suddenly say, "No, no, no, no. 1 hour playing is very important because you'll get marks for it." So everything here is linked to marks. Everything in India is linked to incentive. We need to incentivize sports and fitness to change the fitness scene in this country.
All right. Viren, any thoughts? I mean, is this a serious problem? When you're going out there trying to get champions, when you're trying to tell people, you see a kid and you see that kid and you say, that kid could potentially be getting a gold medal for India someday. And then the parents say, we don't want him or her to pursue sports. Then what happens? Hang on, I'm just going to interrupt us, sir. The Chief Minister will walk in. Thank you so much, Khanaz. Thank you so much for joining us. It's a real pleasure to have you with us. We were just discussing this concept of sports, and the basic question is, as we were just saying, that sometimes parents don't want their children to pursue sports, even if they're a potential champion. Why? Because there are no marks for it, because it's not considered the right thing to do. So I was getting Viren to answer that, but maybe you want to just come in with your quick take on this?
Because I feel that parents feel that there is no career in sports in India. Actually there is, but not every child achieves what the ace players have achieved. So there is always a fear in the mind of the parents, and they want their child to go into mainstream. In Maharashtra, we have our policy, sports policy, which gives additional marks to those sports persons who cannot devote their time for studies but excel in sports. So we feel that by giving them additional marks, we ensure that they get admissions in good colleges, in the good courses. But I think we professionally, we need to encourage people so that they also encourage their children to go into sports. Right now, basically we are focused on 2-3 sports only in the society. If it's cricket, you get sponsors. But it's any other sport, you don't get a sponsor, or you don't see a very bright career. So I think once we professionalize most of the sports and we create a scenario where in any sports, if you excel, then you have a good career. If this is the case, I think that people will encourage their children.
All right. Viren, you want to come in on that?
I agree with the fact that right now, actually a very minuscule proportion of our population, especially the student population, actually plays sports. If you see a lot of the new schools in urban cities like Mumbai, most of the new schools do not even have playgrounds. So we got to figure out a way how to get kids playing. And what Dharmesh said, that we cannot have sport right now. It's still regarded as an extracurricular activity. We need to get it into more a mainstream activity, that it is an integral part of education. And I think it's not just the sporting part of it, which obviously develops our health and excel, but also the sports person's attitude and mentality. I think the life lessons that you learn playing sport, especially team sports like football, hockey, cricket, I think they are lessons that a classroom can never teach you. You learn teamwork. None of us work in isolation.
Wherein you're preaching to the converted when it comes to why important it is. I guess the question that we are asking is that when you see some young, talented person, and you're saying, I wish this person would play for India someday, and that person's parents look and for good reasons. Look at the way we treat many of our sports people, including people who won medals for the country.